This video will contain minor spoilers from the manga, you have been warned. Now yesterday in my review video for Boruto episode 201, I talked about one particular aspect from the manga which was totally omitted in this episode. So hello and welcome to Under YZ, my name is Soham and today we are going to talk about the plot point of the Byakugo seed which was totally omitted from Boruto episode 201. But before that, if you're new here then please consider subscribing to our channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content along with a bunch of other stuff. With that being said, let's begin the video. Now disclaimer, I'm not claiming here that the anime has totally discarded this particular plot point. It's very much plausible that sometime down the line, say about 2-3 episodes later, the anime can actually bring about this plot point. But this was the correct moment to talk about all of these things considering the manga, and I'm kind of taken aback as to why the anime chose to omit this particular scene. Now before proceeding any further, let's just break down what exactly happened in the manga in this particular scene. What happens here is that after the conversation takes place about Karma, Sarada talks about how she thinks that there might be some sort of a link between Karma's seal and the Byakugo seal which is present on the forehead of her mother. Now to this, Naruto replies that this is the mitotic regeneration jutsu also known as the Byakugo no Jutsu, and this is not something which only Sakura has, and he points out to the statue of Tsunade and kind of brushes it over saying that it's probably just another jutsu and it's maybe not something that important. But I think Naruto kind of forgot here that even Mito Uzumaki, the wife of Hashirama, also had the Byakugo no seal, and to this Mitsuki actually replies that things might not be as simple as they are seeing because according to his parent, who is of course Orochimaru, there's a lot of mystery and a lot of history associated with this particular jutsu, and Orochimaru is actually researching about this particular thing and even he is not able to come up with a conclusive answer about this. Basically what Mitsuki was trying to say here is that this jutsu has a lot of history, a lot of unknown past, and this is something which we don't actually know a lot about. This was basically a teasing point for us in the manga where we started to make the prediction that maybe during the time skip or maybe after the time skip, Orochimaru will finally appear in the manga and give us some sort of a conclusive answer in this particular regard, or at least research about it. Because for the most part, Orochimaru has kind of been absent from the manga and it's only the anime which has shown him in a couple of different arcs. However, since then this particular plot point has not been really taken up that much, and I feel like this might be explored later on in the time skip if at all this is not dropped. Now yes, people might say that this is a dropped plot point, something which Kishimoto does not want to explore anymore, and that is maybe the reason why the anime chose not to show it here. But sometime after this, Sarada actually went on to ask her mother about this particular thing, and Sakura also expresses her doubt over the real meaning behind this particular jutsu because she says that this is a very old technique, very old jutsu, something which was present from the time of the Sage of Six Paths himself. After that the dialogue is cut there and basically we are teased about this, and since then the manga has really not touched upon this particular topic. Now personally I thought that maybe the anime is going to expand upon this particular thing, maybe introduce a small arc where we follow the adventures of Orochimaru and even Boruto for that matter, where they're thinking or talking about all of these things. Because here the karma is a very important thing, and if at all it is linked to the Byakugo seal, then it also has a lot of history associated with the Uzumaki clan as well. Because we have to remember here that Mito Uzumaki, the wife of Hashirama, also had this seal, and Orochimaru is someone who is probably one of the smartest persons in the universe of Naruto. He's a person who has researched upon a lot of different things. He's a person who has researched upon the Uzumaki clan and the history of this clan and the associated sealing jutsus. So if anything, Orochimaru is probably the most important person who is going to recover the secrets of this jutsu. Therefore, prior to this episode, I at least had the prediction that maybe the anime is going to introduce an anime canon arc where they're going over this particular aspect of the Byakugo no seal. But apparently that is not the case anymore. Again, I can't say with 100% guarantee that the anime has quote unquote dropped this, because it's very much plausible that later on down the line Sarada just goes on to ask Sakura about this and only that part of the conversation including the Sage of Six Paths is included. I very frankly don't want to believe that the anime is dropping this plot point entirely. This has the potential to be a very interesting plot point and something that the anime can at least explore to some extent, because in the next couple of episodes things are about to get very chaotic, and after the major fights are over, I feel like something along the lines of a research arc dedicated to the Byakugo seal's link to karma can be actually explored. Moreover, I also believe that the manga has not actually dropped this plot point and it is possibly going to be explored during the time skip or after the time skip for that matter. But at the end of the day, these are simply my thoughts and theories. What do you guys think about all of these things? Do you actually believe that the karma has some sort of a link to the Byakugan no seal, or is it just a basic common shape which appears in the Naruto verse? Initially, I also believed that this was just a regular shape, nothing that much important, but after Mitsuki points out about its importance and after Sakura talks about the Sage of Six Paths, I do want to believe that if not directly, but at least indirectly, the Byakugan no seal definitely has a link or some sort of a connection to the karma mark as well, essentially forming some sort of a connection to the Otsutsuki clan. So what do you guys think about all of these things? Please do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for today guys, thank you so much for joining in. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. Also, please do join the channel membership for some very cool perks and features. Finally, please join our Discord server as well. We have a lot of discussions in relation to anime, manga and more. With that being said guys, this is Wonderboy Z and I'll see you soon on the next one.